Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Arman, a participant in SIH 2025. So I'm going to give demo for our Blue Carbon MRV system, a cutting-edge solution for monitoring, reporting and verifying carbon credits from coastal ecosystems. Let's start with connecting with our Web3 wallet. At the top, we have connect button. Clicking this will prompt MetaMask and injected. Our preferred injected Web3 wallet is MetaMask, allowing us to interact directly with smart contracts deployed on blockchain. This ensures that all our actions from verifying plantations to transferring carbon credits are secure and transparently recorded. So let's get started. You can already see now MetaMask is trying to connect with our application. Now coming on to the landing page. So this is our home page. Here we wanted to give a full oceanic experience, complete with wave animations, gradients, and subtle ocean colors. This sets the mood, emphasizing the platform focus on coastal ecosystem conservation. Now, going on to the registration page. Yeah. So now let's talk about the registrations. Both plantation owners and company can register here. Plantation owner submit details about their plantations, which are then sent for verification. Only once verified can they receive carbon credits. Currently, our system simulates uploads for monitoring data via IPFS in the backend. Companies for now are registered client side for demonstration purposes. So let me show you a demo, and instead of giving here raw coordinates, I'll just type here some name. Now MetaMask is asking me to confirm the transaction to register on our network. So this may take up to 5 to 6 seconds to get registered, and it says I have already registered. Yeah, you can see that my ID 14 has registered inside the network successfully. Now let's go to the verification page. So the verification page is only accessible by the owner of the platform. Here you can see unverified plantations, see through them, filter, sort, or even paginate through them. And even there are the verified plantations where you can paginate them, search them, sort them, and do the functionalities on them. Once the verifier approves a plantation, carbon credits are minted for the owner. This page also lists previously registered plantations, giving an overview of all activity in future iterations. We can plan to introduce dedicated verifier roles. So let's approve the 14 here so that we can see how the carbon credits are minted. Yeah, MetaMask will ask two-time confirmations, one to verify the transaction and second to mint some tokens. Yeah, you can see that our verification has successfully been done. And yeah, you can see that our transaction has been verified. So now let's go to the credits page. The credits page is where users can manage their carbon credits. You can transfer credits to other users, view recent transactions, which is now is simulated on the client side, and eventually plantation owners will be able to list their credits on marketplace for companies to buy. This feature will bridge supply and demand for carbon credits in a decentralized manner. So now at least you could transfer some credits to other users. So let me just go to my second account and I'll connect this account. You can see that my balance has been changed. This is due to the remote state management of this application. I'll copy the address of this and I'll go back to my first account, and my data is seamlessly changed without any uh, error or crutch between them. Now I'll share some tokens. I'll share 5 tokens and it is estimated to be $124. I'll send this. Yeah, you can see that my credits has been successfully transferred. Now let's go back to the registry page. So the registry, we have a registry page which displays verified plantations and companies. Currently we show plantation owners and which is from the network itself, but the companies are not being registered currently, so there are no companies which are registered yet. And based on what kind of plantation, we have kept a unique image for them, so it gives a visual impact to the users. And you can also view this uh, address on Etherscan. Now let's go to the marketplace page. So the marketplace page is a development, but we have built a demo interface to showcase it looks and feels. It includes features like sort and filtering features and also searching features. And it's also paginated, giving a realistic view of how companies could browse available carbon credits in future. Now, our last page, which is the dashboard page, let's get into it. So you can see our dashboard page. It provides a detailed overview of our carbon credits activity over time. We have multiple charts and graphs. Overview. Here, the carbon credits over time and carbon capture impact. And uh, the recent plantations are based on it, but the data is being a demo data. This is no real-time data, but we'll try to implement in further phases. Next, the credits. In credits, you see monthly credit generation, which is a bar chart, and next, the ecosystems. Here, there are two charts. One is ecosystem distribution, which is a pie chart, and ecosystem performance, which is again a bar chart. Here, now how many types of ecosystems we have in our network and what are the weight of it, you could see this. And last, we have the performance chart. Performance chart is a line chart where you can see the weekly performance metrics of the carbon credits issued or the sell. And if you have noticed, there are already 121 total credits in supply. So is this just a raw number or any is it from the real data? Yes, it's a real data and you could view it from the Etherscan. So you can see that this is the block explorer, and here it is 121 blue carbon credits in total supply. And these are all the transactions which happened recently. And this transaction was recently happened, and 5 tokens were minted. You could see that. Now, coming to the Git repo of this, so we have also have a Git repo which has client side and a server side. Server side consists of hard hat environment and Solidity code, and client side consists of Next.js code. We will try to implement this in further stages by having a full monitoring, reporting, and verification system until the grand finale. And thank you.